in constant sorrow through my days. I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen troubles all my days. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, place where I was born and raised, a place where I was born and raised. For 6 long years I've been in trouble. The pleasures here on earth I've found. For in this world I'm known to ramble. Got no friends to help me now. I got no friends to help me now. It's fare thee well, my old true lover. Registered to meet you again. For I'm bound to ride that northern railroad. Perhaps I'll die upon that train. Perhaps I'll die upon that train. You can bury me in some deep valley for many years where I may lay. Then you will learn to love another while I am sleeping in my grave. While I